Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set a no mop zone on DREAME D20 Plus. A no mop zone will prevent the robot from going into that zone while mopping. Unfortunately, this robot has a static mop, which means it is not automatically lifted or removed. So if you run a mopping task, it will not go into no mop zone. And if you run a vacuuming without mopping task, then it will just go there normally. So to do it, you can click on the edit button and then click on no go zone / virtual wall. That's one method, but there will be another one. And then select a no-go zone, no mop zone. I already have one, as you can see, but I'll create another one. And let's place it there. So now the robot will only go into that zone if it's vacuuming without mopping. Now let's approve it, and that's how you can do it with the first method. The second method is setting a carpet in a certain place and then the robot and then adjusting a setting about the carpet. So let's set a carpet now, and what that changes is not much, but it just lets you set a carpet. There's basically, it technically should automatically recognize a carpet, but if it didn't, you can add it, and then the robot will try to find it in that place. If it doesn't, then it will delete it automatically, as it no longer recognizes it. And that carpet will just later, you can adjust the settings by clicking on three dots in the top right corner. Then go to carpet cleaning settings and make sure it's set to vacuum, because if it's set to ignore, it will mop on the carpet. And if it's set to vacuum, it will not mop on the carpet. It will only vacuum. And if it's in mopping mode, it will avoid the carpet. And you can also enable carpet boost, so it will increase the suction power to clean the carpet more efficiently. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.